Also, may announcement ako, Sir Mar. This is a record holding event kasi this is the first time na 17 contingent ang nag-intra po, Sir Mar, sa street presentation. This is the highest na nag-intra. Halos po, anong na barangay po ang naka-intra, but may sarap pang barangay po na gusto maghabol. So, Sir Mar, expect po ninda ng street presentations ng Banuangan, Santo Domingo when it comes to Sarumbangyo Festival, magayuno po. And not just the street presentation, Sir Mar. We are already starting with the stalls po dito sa Kuya Pong Park that will be there for 1 month, and kadakulang pa po kidakul pong aktibidades po sa Banuangan, Santo Domingo. Please watch out, and we will post the calendar of activities tangani pong mahiling po ninda ang sa Kuya pong pigpreparar para po ma-promote ang cultural heritage, the rich cultural heritage of Santo Domingo po.